Welcome to Soulful Kitchens, where we bring vintage and traditional kitchen designs to life. Today, we step into the timeless elegance of a Victorian kitchen, rich wood, intricate details, and classic charm. If you love vintage aesthetics, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring kitchen designs. Step into a world where time slows down and the heart of the home is filled with warmth and nostalgia. The Victorian kitchen before you is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, adorned with dark wood cabinetry, each panel carved with intricate details. The polished brass handles gleam under the soft glow of vintage light fixtures, casting golden reflections on the marble countertops. A grand cast iron stove stands as the centerpiece, its ornate brass accents speaking of a bygone era of elegance and refinement. The scent of aged oak fills the air as your eyes travel across the room. Exposed brick walls tell stories of generations past, their rustic charm enhanced by wooden shelves laden with antique pottery and delicate china teacups. A sturdy farmhouse table, crafted from polished oak, takes center stage, surrounded by wrought iron chairs with intricate scrollwork. Above, an old copper pot rack hangs, suspending well-worn pans that whisper of countless family meals prepared with love. Gaze upon the high ceilings adorned with ornate moldings, a testament to the grandeur of Victorian design. A brass chandelier, dripping with crystal embellishments, illuminates the room with a warm, flickering glow. The soft pastel wallpaper, adorned with delicate floral motifs, wraps the space in an air of romance. Lace curtains flutter gently against the breeze, framing a window that offers a glimpse of a lush garden beyond. The kitchen breathes life into the past, a place where elegance meets comfort. In the corner, an antique wooden pantry stands tall, its glass-paneled doors revealing a collection of vintage spice jars, neatly arranged by color and label. The dark-stained hardwood floor creaks softly beneath your feet, its rich grain adding depth and character. An intricately patterned area rug lies at the room's center, a touch of warmth against the coolness of marble countertops. The space is not just a kitchen, it is a sanctuary of stories, preserved in every carefully placed detail. A grand Victorian fireplace dominates one wall, its iron grate intricately designed with swirling patterns. The soft crackle of firewood burning brings a sense of warmth, inviting you to linger. Above the mantel, a vintage brass clock ticks steadily, its rhythmic sound blending seamlessly with the gentle clinking of porcelain cups on the wooden countertop. The ambience is timeless, a seamless blend of function and artistry. Moving towards the kitchen island, you run your fingers across its rich mahogany surface, feeling the smooth craftsmanship beneath your touch. Delicate carvings trace the edges, and a deep farmhouse sinks its elegantly beneath a grand window. Sunlight filters through the stained glass panes, casting colorful reflections upon the polished brass faucet. Every detail is deliberate, a tribute to an era that valued beauty in the everyday. A black vintage stove stands as a commanding presence, its brass oven door gleaming under the ambient light. Above, a wooden beam stretches across the ceiling, adorned with hanging copper utensils. Open shelves display antique glass jars filled with grains, teas, and dried herbs, their handwritten labels evoking a sense of history. The kitchen is alive with texture, each material chosen to harmonize with the next. As you take a step back, you notice the harmonious contrast between the dark walnut cabinetry and the soft floral wallpaper. Velvet curtains drape dramatically over the large windows, their deep hues complementing the golden glow of antique sconces mounted on the walls. The elegance of the Victorian era is undeniable, yet there is a warmth that makes the space inviting, a perfect balance of sophistication and homeliness. A wooden hutch, adorned with intricate brass filigree, stands proudly in the corner, showcasing an array of antique porcelain plates, each one a delicate work of art. The dining table is set with fine china, resting on embroidered linen placemats, ready for a gathering steeped in tradition. The gentle chime of a distant grandfather clock echoes through the space, marking time in a home that feels untouched by modern haste. Near the stove, an aged butcher block island bears the marks of years of preparation, its surface rich with history. Stacked nearby are weathered cookbooks, their pages slightly yellowed, filled with handwritten recipes passed down through generations. A copper kettle rests on the stovetop, a wisp of steam curling into the air, carrying the comforting aroma of steeping tea. The kitchen is more than a place to cook. It is a living testament to heritage and craftsmanship. Soft candlelight flickers on the countertops, casting gentle shadows across the room. The antique brass lanterns mounted on the walls add to the intimate glow, enhancing the richness of the dark wood and polished marble. The textures, the scents, the play of light and shadow all work in harmony to transport you to a time when life moved at a slower, more intentional pace. As the evening settles in, the Victorian kitchen hums with quiet life. The warmth of the fire, the soft ticking of the clock, and the comforting presence of heirloom kitchenware create a space that is both elegant and deeply personal. It is not just a kitchen, it is a timeless retreat, a place where memories are preserved and tradition is honored in every detail. That's the beauty of a Victorian kitchen, where history, craftsmanship, and warmth blend seamlessly. Which detail was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey through time, like, share, and subscribe for more vintage and traditional kitchen inspiration. See you in the next video.